To be able to use this navbar, we need to import it. So we could import navbar from components, layout, and navbar. So right now we're getting a bug which says, oh, we didn't use this. Okay, so import. Okay, so let us try now and see if the navbar is existing. So here we go. The navbar is as it is. It did not change functionally, but we're having a much cleaner code. In order for this navbar to be useful, we would need to have a routing. We need to have a router which called React Router DOM. So we're gonna npm install React Router DOM. Till install, we could just use it here, import from React Router DOM, and we will need to import two things. The first thing is browser router, and the second thing is route. In order for routing to work, we would need to include it inside the JSX right here. So we'll need to add a browser router, and close it. And we need to add here our routes. So let's consider having more than one route. So the first route is login, which would take a component called login. And we need to have another route exactly like it, but for sign up. And the third route would be called profile, and would take a component called my profile. Okay. So right now this for sure would not work because we do not have any of these components. Okay. So what should we do is add these components. Just create them. We could have a new folder here called routes, and add inside it login.js, signup.js, and my profile.js. Each one of those would be considered a component exactly like this. So we could just copy and paste this thing here and just add something that identify it like this. We do not need to have these things here, and we should name it my profile. We need to do the same stuff for login and sign up, so we could just do this. This is login, and add this here, sign up. And we need to import these things inside app.js to be used here. So for here we could just import login, sign up, and my profile. So let us try if these routes are currently working. So currently if we try to open the UI, we'll find this bug that says a router may have only one child element. This is due to the fact that inside a browser router we need to render only one component. Currently we are rendering 4 components. So how to solve this problem? We could just wrap them by a div. So let us try now. Okay, so currently the app has been fired successfully. Let us try if we add to the URL the word profile, and here we could find our component. And if we added login, we could also find our component, and if we added sign up, we should also find our component.